Most of the peoples usually throw away banana peels after eating a banana, but there are a ton of uses for this often overlooked byproduct. You may be surprised to learn that not only can the banana peels be used in the kitchens, but also in beauty routines. Let's have a look at few of the amazing uses of banana peels. After knowing them, you will guarantee that you never throw away those banana peels ever again. Number 1. Polish silver. Have your silver ornaments faded its color over time? Well then, simply rub it down with a banana peel to give it a fresh look like new one. The fruit acids in banana peels work to remove grime, and makes the silver look brand new. Number 2. Meat tenderizer. Want to make sure that your meat dish turns out tender? For this, all you need to do is throw in a couple of banana peels over the meat. Doing this will ensure that the meat doesn't dry out as it cooks. This is a tried and true method to keep the meat tender and full of flavor. Number 3. Organic compost. Banana peels break down pretty easily, so they serve as a great addition for anyone who uses compost to fertilize the soil. Better use this organic fertilizer instead of chemical-made ones. Number 4. Banana vinegar. If you are searching for a vinegar recipe with a twist, then banana peel vinegar may do just the trick. Normal vinegar is slightly bitter and sour, but the vinegar derived from banana peels comes with a sweet undertone, which sets it apart from regular vinegar recipes. It's a tasty addition to a salad. Number 5. Helps reduce the appearance of bruises. The clumsy people of the world will love this banana peel hack. If you rub a banana peel over a bruise, it will help reduce its size and appearance. You can get results faster if you leave the banana peel on the bruise overnight. Number 6. Reduces acne. Banana peels can help to fade off acne. They contain lutein and other vitamins that fight acne breakouts. All you need to do is rub it over your face and leave it overnight. The next day you will be surprised to see the acne has faded away. Number 7. Wart removal. Wart removal is made easy with banana peels. Just cover the area with a banana peel and secure with a bandage. Leave it overnight and in the morning you will see an obvious reduction in its size. Continue until the wart is totally gone. Number 8. Whitens your teeth. Banana peels can effectively remove stains from your teeth. Rub the peels over your teeth and gums 1 or 2 times a day. Continue doing this for a few weeks, and you will notice that your smile is much brighter. So, do take advantage of these amazing uses of banana peels before throwing them away.